Hindi ba dinidinig ang prayers mo? Hi everyone, this is Coach Patrick once again, and for today's video, I would like to share to you the topics that were discussed in today's service that I attended. Bakit nga ba hindi dinidinig yung mga prayers natin? May mga bagay na kailangan nating maintindihan for our prayers to really work. To sum it up, mayroong dalawang bagay na kailangan para ang prayer natin ay mas dinggin. Number one, righteous or obedient sa word or sa pinapagawa ng Panginoon, tutuparin niya yung pinagdadasal natin. Kasi technically, malapit tayo sa Kanya. Ngayon, kung ako ba hindi righteous or hindi obedient, hindi ba didinggin yung panalangin ko? Yes, it is written. Ngayon, righteous na ako, obedient na ako, didinggin na ba yung prayer ko? That will lead us to number 2, in accordance ba sa will ng Panginoon yung pinagpe-pray natin? Again, number 1, dapat righteous tayo and obedient. Number 2, dapat in accordance sa will ng Panginoon. Kasi bakit? Baka yung pinaplano mo, yung pinagdadasal mo, yung inilalapit mo sa Lord, hindi pala yun yung plano niya sa'yo. So kahit na anong pray mo, it will not work. Or possibly, meron siyang much better na plano kaysa dun sa pinaplano at ipinagpe-pray mo. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to provide value. My prayer is that you find your purpose in life. Please follow for more.